Welcome back to Phone Transformer. In today's video, we're going to show you how to disable screen timeout on Android using a few easy steps that anyone can follow. Now let's get started. Step 1. First, take your phone and open the Settings app. You can usually find it on your home screen or inside your apps drawer. Once you're there, scroll down until you see the Display option and tap on it to proceed. Step 2. From the Display menu, scroll again and look for the Screen Timeout or Sleep option. This setting controls how long your screen stays on when you're not touching it. Tap on it to open the menu. Step 3. Inside this menu, you'll see several timeout options like 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, and so on. To prevent your screen from turning off too quickly, choose the longest timeout option available, usually 10 minutes. Just tap on it and it will be set. Step 4. Now, go back to the Settings main menu, scroll down, and find the option that says About Phone. Tap on it, then scroll again until you find a section called Software Information and enter it. Step 5. In this menu, look for something called Build Number. This is used to unlock extra settings for developers. Tap on it 7 times quickly. After that, your phone will ask you to enter your password or PIN to confirm. Once done, it will say, "You are now a developer." Step 6. Go back to the main settings page, and now you'll see a new option called Developer Options. Tap to open it. Inside this menu, scroll down until you see a setting called Stay Awake. Right now, this option is disabled. Just tap the toggle to enable it, and your screen will stay on whenever your phone is charging. Step 7. If you'd prefer using a third-party app to control screen timeout, go back to your home screen, open the Google Play Store, and tap on the search bar. Type in the name of the app, Caffeine, Keep Screen On, and tap Search. Step 8. Now install the app, and once it finishes downloading, open it. Go to the Timeout section inside the app and select the longest timeout option available. The app will keep your screen on until you choose to turn it off. That's it. You've successfully disabled screen timeout on your Android device using both system settings and a third-party app. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.